How to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So logging out on Android and iOS is the same method because it just involves different devices but they have the same settings. So what you need to do is just head over to your Messenger on your device, and from in there you can see these three lines up here. So click on those three lines, and then from in there you can see this gear icon. So click on the gear icon and this will direct you to your page. So what you need to do is just scroll down until you reach the switch account right here. So click on that and you can just switch on the account that you want to save into. So if you also want to just delete everything, then you can just right click on this messenger right here, click on app info. So on iOS, it is on storage and iPhone storage. You can just click on storage usage, click on clear data right here and clear the up data. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to log out of Messenger on Android and iOS. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.